Hey everyone, Kensurfs here. We're in the shave den and it's time for another shave. I would have uploaded a video about 3 or 4 days ago because I got an opportunity to try a new razor that's coming out. And I talked to the owner of the company and he said, hey, don't release the video just yet. We're getting a little bit closer to the release date, but they gave me an opportunity to try it and give my feedback, and I liked it. And a couple of other people are reviewing the razor, and then it's going to be ready for release. But I did shoot a video. But today's video is a new soap and new aftershave from the folks at Hendrix Classics and Pasteurs Pharmacy. It's an exclusive collaboration, and we've got the aftershave and we've got the soap, and it's either Colabora or Colabra. How would you pronounce it? There we go. And it's an homage to Parfums de Marly Layton. It's got a pretty good scent, actually. I've never smelt Parfums de Marly Layton, but if it smells like this, it smells real good. And let's see. Top notes are apple, lavender, bergamot, mandarin orange. Mid notes are geranium, violet, jasmine. Base are vanilla, cardamom, sandalwood, pepper, wood, and patchouli. For you enthusiastic people who really know your scent profiles. I am not one of those people. I'm kind of ignorant when it comes to that. It either smells good to me or it doesn't, and this smells real good. So let me also try this out. Let's see here. Let's get a little. Oh man, it smells good. I'm gonna be wearing this tonight. Perfect. And I'm actually going to be trying a razor for the first time. I've used razors from Leaf Shave many times. And in fact, one of my favorite is the Twig in that berry blue. You've seen me use that before. But I've never tried the Thorn. And somebody asked me, hey, can you try the Thorn out? It's a little bit more aggressive, and kind of tell me what you think. So I'm going to be trying the Thorn out today. I just got it in the mail. Figured I will add it to the collection. Oops. Here we go. We've got the leaf blades here. And there we go. We have the Thorn. Polished silver. Very nice. Very nice. I don't know if you'd call that chrome colored or polished, but it looks good. I love the blue. But this will definitely do. And now let's see. Oh yeah, turn in the bottom. And it turns out of the way to receive the blade. Perfect. In fact, let's put a blade in now. Gonna open this up. Let's see here. Might as well use a leaf blade. See how it does. No. Yeah, well, I'll use a leaf blade. I was going to say I'll use a blade I'm familiar with, but we're trying this out for the first time, so might as well try out the blade that comes with it. There's not much to grab onto when it's half a DE blade. All right, let's set this in here. In case, for those of you who haven't seen this razor before, see it just kind of lines up in those notches. And then it snugs into place. And there you have it. The Thorn. First time using it. All right, and the brush today I'm going to use from Shavemac. I have a Shavemac synthetic. Let's put this into the crystal skull here. Get the brush soaking. I've got some hot water in the bowl right here. And I think we're about ready to get this shave started. So how's the week going? You guys doing good so far? It's barely begun. Did you watch the Academy Awards? I kind of missed it because I really haven't seen a lot of the movies that are nominated this year. I want to see the Bob Dylan movie. I just have not seen it yet. All right, here we go. Exclusively only available at Pasteurs Pharmacy. They have it online, or you can walk in if you're lucky enough in New York to go in and pick it up in person. All right, let's see how it goes. right there in the tub. Oh, one of you, oh yeah, there we go. One of you was telling me, you know, I went and saw The Monkey, the horror movie, and somebody said, hey, you got to go on Prime and check out the Treehouse. Man, I saw the preview for it. I haven't seen the Treehouse yet, but I'm going to have to check that one out. It looks pretty good. I always like the good scary movies. Some good lather. Very slick. And a good scent. All right, here we go. Wow. Well, again, I always say it's the razor, it's the blade, and it's the soap combo that gives you a good shave. But this is shaving very smooth. So all three made a great combo for me so far. This is great to get under your nose. You can get right in there. Not literally up your nose, but here we go. Gonna have to check out the White Lotus. I also been watching that Tracker on CBS. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but it's pretty good. I really should slow down, but this is being very, very pleasant. Get the soap off there. Okay. I gotta say, I almost like this better than the Twig. Man, I wonder, I should have seen, well, I think berry blue's not an option right now. But people at Leaf, if you're watching, consider bringing it back. Or a crimson red. That would be nice too. They do watch the channel and sometimes comment on your comments. Especially Pete from Hendrix Classics. He'll be reading the comments on this. And I'm a little late. This was released on the 1st of March. It took a while to get the package here after it was ordered because of the snow back there. So it is out. I checked the website. It still looks like it's available. I feel bad when I give you guys, hey, this just came out, and you go to the site, it's sold out already. Or not available yet. Going over to my daughter-in-law's for dinner. And we're expecting rain again in Southern California. So we need it. Seriously, guys, like BBS. And I'm going to say I was going to be a skeptic of that blade. That was really, really fantastic. Way to go, guys at Leaf, guys and gals at Leaf. You did a good job of that product. It's more of a parfum, Eau de Toilette parfum. It's not really a aftershave, but let's see. Oh, good burn. Oh, nice burn. And good scent. Well, there you go. Hendrix Classics, Pasteurs Pharmacy. Good collab, you two. Good collab. And Parfums de Marly Layton. If you guys have heard about that, I'd love to hear it in your comments. Excuse me. All right, everybody. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again in a shave video very soon. I've got some new soap coming out, or some soap review to do from Strike Gold Shave. I've got a new item that's going to be released this weekend, I think. So that might be the next one I do. No nicks, smooth shave. That combo worked perfect for me. So if you're interested, take a look. Links are in the description of this video. Give them a look. All right, everybody. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.